Replacing your windows might seem like a purely cosmetic or comfort-driven decision, but in Gilbert, Arizona, it also carries significant environmental advantages. As temperatures soar in the summer and mild winters call for efficient insulation, modern window replacement offers more than just a better view. It provides a pathway to a greener, more energy-conscious home and community. Reducing energy consumption and emissions is one of the most direct environmental benefits of window replacement in Gilbert is the drastic reduction in energy use. Old, single-pane or poorly sealed windows allow conditioned air to escape, making HVAC systems work harder. This constant cycling not only spikes utility bills but also leads to higher fossil fuel consumption, especially if your electricity comes from non-renewable sources. Modern energy-efficient windows come with double or triple panes, low emissivity coatings, argon or krypton gas fills, and advanced framing materials. These features dramatically reduce heat transfer, keeping interiors cooler in Gilbert's intense heat without overburdening air conditioning systems. The result? Lower carbon emissions and a reduced ecological footprint. Decreasing urban heat island effect. In hot climates like Gilbert, the urban heat island effect, where cities are significantly warmer than surrounding rural areas, poses a serious issue. Reflective or poorly insulated windows can contribute to this by absorbing and radiating solar heat. Energy-efficient replacement windows are designed to reflect solar radiation, particularly those with specialized coatings. By minimizing heat gain in your home and the surrounding environment, these windows help mitigate the heat island effect. This not only supports a cooler home but also contributes to a healthier citywide microclimate. Lower waste and landfill contribution. Window replacement, when done responsibly, can also reduce landfill waste. Many window contractors in Gilbert now offer recycling services for your old glass, aluminum, and wood materials. Instead of these components ending up in landfills, they're reprocessed and reused in new products. Additionally, modern windows are built to last longer than outdated models. High-performance materials and improved construction techniques mean fewer replacements over time, which contributes to a reduction in manufacturing waste and transportation emissions. Improving indoor environmental quality. New windows also contribute to healthier indoor environments, which indirectly benefits the broader ecosystem. Old windows can accumulate mold, mildew, and dust due to leaks and condensation. Energy-efficient models with proper seals and ventilation options reduce the risk of these issues, promoting cleaner indoor air. Less reliance on chemical cleaners and air purifiers to combat indoor pollution means fewer airborne toxins and reduced energy consumption, two factors that contribute to environmental preservation. Supporting local green initiatives. Gilbert residents are increasingly conscious of sustainable living, and window replacement aligns perfectly with these values. By investing in high-performance, eco-friendly windows, homeowners support local efforts to reduce energy usage and carbon emissions. Many contractors in the area prioritize eco-conscious brands and source materials responsibly, further amplifying the environmental benefits. Some even participate in rebate programs that reward energy-efficient upgrades, making it easier for homeowners to contribute to environmental protection while saving money. Conclusion. Window replacement in Gilbert isn't just a home improvement, it's a step toward a more sustainable lifestyle. From lowering greenhouse gas emissions to improving urban air quality and reducing waste, modern windows offer a host of environmental benefits. As the city continues to grow, these small changes can add up to a significant positive impact for the community and the planet. Investing in energy-efficient windows is more than a smart financial move. It's a meaningful way to build a greener future in Gilbert.